Hi, Gems. Oh, I look a hot mess. Well, anyways, I wanted to do a review on this new hair that I just purchased called Jessica Hair. I know it's backwards, but it's Jessica Hair. This is a hair wig. This is the first wig that I brought. So I'm going to take you through the review, unboxing process, and then the process for me actually installing. Okay, so I purchased this hair from Amazon.com. I was looking for a either a 360 wig or a full frontal wig, because like I said, this is the first time me purchasing a wig. So I looked on Amazon, and I originally found this company by just doing different YouTube reviews, and I came across a review under Twin Goddesses, and she had a really beautiful wig that she purchased from Amazon. And if you check her out, she goes through the whole process of co-washing and installation. So if you need additional resources, I definitely will hit her up. I will put her information in the info section. But this hair I ordered should be a size 16 inch, 150% density, which I really don't know what that means. I'm thinking that it should be 150% thick. So mind you, I've never had a wig, so I'm just a little bit nervous, because I've always am used to bundles and get my hair sewn in. But I end up getting a 360, which I'm kind of, it makes me even more nervous, because with the 360 wig, I'm just not sure how to maintain it. I'm used to frontals or closures, but the 360 happened to be on sale, so I said, well, why not? Let's go ahead and try it out. I'm a little distracted because the cable company want to try to sell me something else, and I'm just like, no. But anyways, so the lace frontal cost me $144.20. There was no tax. I had Amazon Prime. I ordered it on August the 4th, 2018, and I just received it today, which is August 14th. So it took 10 days to get here, which was perfect timing. It came through DHL shipping, and they actually sent me a text message to confirm if I wanted to have it a signature for it, or if I wanted to pick it up. And so I live in an area where it's usually no problem, so I just went on ahead and told them that they can drop it off on my porch, which was great. So I showed you what the box looks like. So it's going to be a little bit for me to try to open, so I'm going to open it up. Okay, I've already kind of opened it to make this a smoother process, because what I just did was a hot mess. Okay, so the hair comes in a bag. It's already bagged up, and I'm going to set this to the side since it's in a bag. It comes with a wig cap, and it looks like it comes with a band, which let's see, my beautician will have to figure that out. Okay, so the hair comes in a net. Smell, it does have like a hair smell, but it's okay. It's not fishy. That's the one that's a definite no. So, but I will be co-washing this before this goes on my head. It's in a hairnet, as I mentioned. You can see it has the label Jessica Hair, and it's got some paper in it. It's already got a net, and you see a total of 4 combs, and it looks like it's got an adjustable strap. So therefore, if my head is too big, we can take this loose and loosen it up so that it can adjust to my head. But my head is usually average size, so it should be fine. But it looks breathable. So one thing that I noticed when I was looking at the hair review and just kind of reading the reviews is that the hair kind of has pre-plucked hairline, so that it doesn't look like you got an eddy. And I mean, of course, you can always pre-pluck it some more to make it look realistic. But I will say what they mentioned in the YouTube video and on the reviews, that they did not lie, as you can see. I would probably bleach the knots again, just because you can kind of, so it looks like, I'm just kind of looking at it more deep, but you will need to bleach the knots because I can kind of see where the hair is like different from the scalp, and this is up against my skin. So we definitely got to have that because that's gonna look like it's fake. I just felt ran my fingers through the unit, and it does, I'm sorry to kind of treat it like that, it does feel soft. The review said you don't need much product, water and conditioner is fine, but it does feel soft. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is maybe the 150% density is not what I was expecting, because this seems like it would be a lot more thicker. And maybe I'll post a picture of what homegirl's hair looked like when she put it in, and she had a 14-inch with the 150% density. I wanted it a little bit longer so it wasn't super short, but overall right now I'm satisfied. So we're gonna see what this does. Okay guys, I don't want to move it around too much because then I'll be like trying to go back to the beauty shop to get something fixed. So I'm in my car because I feel like I get the best light in my car. Oh, let me open the roof. It is rainy here in Louisville, Kentucky. As you can tell, I am feeling myself. So everything must be all good. So let me tell you, obviously when you guys see me the other day, I did have some bundles in. We took those out, let my hair rest, and then we installed the wig. So already off the bat, I can tell you I like the wig experience because the time to get it done was so much quicker. I mean, my beautician, she only put like I think maybe 3 or 4 braids, which was obviously quicker, and then she just put this on. Like, so I told you guys this was a 360. I don't plan on putting my hair up or anything, so she did sew down the back, and once I get better with taking videos I could show you, but it's sewn down in the back. But she did mention, you know, if I ever wanted to wear it up, then what we would do is glue it down, which already kind of sounds like something I don't think I want to do, but you know, I might change my mind in the future. And then she sewed down parts of it so that it didn't look like a helmet. It looked like it's natural. The closure, I don't know if you guys can see, but this closure is nice. And the pre-pluck, I mean, it is pre-pluck. So the pre-pluck edges are good enough for me. I don't want to do much more to it. I know, you know, everybody's all about these baby hairs. Baby hairs has never been like a thing for me. So my main thing is just a natural hairline. I don't want it to just be straight across and, you know, there's no hair or nothing. So I'm fine with this. As I go, I may pluck some more. I do have a part here. I may pluck some more hair, but you know, I always, whenever I get my hair done, I try to leave it as is and then start taking away as I go. So as I mentioned before, this is a 16-inch. I was a little nervous because all the reviews I've seen before, everybody had a 14-inch, and I was like, man, it's gonna be short. But actually this is too much hair, and you see as it's bushy because it's dry. So I will be cutting at some point. Okay, so it does have natural curls. We did comb out the curls just a little bit, but I'm gonna get me some mousse and, you know, get me a spray bottle, and I know what I need to do to make the curls come back and come popping. So I might do a review to just see to come back and let you guys know how I feel about the hair, like maybe a week later, 2 weeks later. We'll just see. But again, this is sewn in, so I'm probably gonna leave it in for a few weeks. What else? I mean, I love the hair as of right now. I will give it a 10. I'm happy. I'm feeling myself. Ain't got no music for y'all. But yeah, I think I can be a part of the wig life. So if you got any questions or any comments, please comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my page. For the review, I can be reached at Diamond Pieces on all social media handles, Diamond Pieces 01 on Twitter, and you also can find me on DD Gems on YouTube. That's where I co-host with Denisha Ray, so come check us out. Again, thank you for checking out my YouTube. As again, I told you, this is like my first doing everything, so I appreciate you coming to visit me. Have a great day.